Cooking the perfect turkey in the Big Easy is, well, easy. Follow these simple steps to make the best tasting, juiciest, oil-free, crispy fried turkey you've ever tasted. The Big Easy will hold up to a 16-pound turkey. Before cooking, be sure the turkey is completely thawed and remove the giblets, neck, and anything else from inside the cavity. Be sure to remove the metal or plastic tie that may be used to bind the legs together as well. Opening the legs will allow the turkey to cook evenly and maintain its position inside the basket. Rinse the turkey under cold water and pat it dry with paper towels. You can use an injectable marinade to kick your turkey up a notch, but if you are really into making it easy, just use a dry rub and a little peanut or canola oil. Brush the turkey with oil and apply your rub liberally. Avoid using a rub with a high sugar content as it may burn during cooking. Always set the turkey inside the basket with the breast up and legs down so that it can cook evenly. This orientation will also allow you to insert the included food thermometer into the breast to monitor internal temperature during the cooking process. Your turkey is now ready to cook. Drop the turkey and basket into the cooker. Make sure your propane is on. Turn the cooker to on, then turn the rotary igniter to light the Big Easy burner. That's it. Now you just have to wait. The Big Easy cooker comes with a wire mesh lid. This lid should only be used when cooking in colder outdoor temperatures, extremely windy days, or toward the end of your cooking time if extra browning is desired. Additionally, there is a removable grease tray underneath the cooker that catches the drippings from your turkey. To use these drippings for gravy, they should be heated on a stovetop to at least 180 degrees Fahrenheit and captured in a food-safe aluminum liner. Cook times will vary depending on the outdoor weather, but generally you can expect 10 minutes per pound for a turkey. Your thermometer should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit before pulling the turkey out of the cooker. Check the temperature in several additional places to make sure the food is cooked evenly. Once the turkey is fully cooked, you may be tempted to remove it from the basket immediately. Instead, set the basket and the turkey on a tray or platter and allow it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the basket has cooled, gently separate any places where the turkey has attached itself to the basket during the cooking process. Turn the basket on its side to remove the turkey. A long, sturdy grilling fork can be used to assist with removing the turkey from the basket with minimal effort, keeping the turkey fully intact. That's it. Now you see why it's called the Big Easy. Get ready to experience a golden brown, juicy, and delicious fried turkey without the danger of hot oil to splatter or spill.